I would say our next task of adding a picture is one that you're going to find the most useful, and also how to move that picture around on your document. First, we are going to go back to the Insert, there we go, tab on our ribbon. And if you have a picture already on your computer, this is where you would upload it from. But if you don't already have a picture in mind and you need to search for one, you are going to click on Lined Pictures. And when you do that, this screen pops up and it allows you to search for something. So let's search for a bird. I just type it in and hit the word enter or on my keyboard, and I can look for a bird. And I want you to notice too where you see how here it's checked for Creative Commons only. That means that any picture you choose from what you're seeing is safe for you to use. You're allowed to use it and you have permission to put it in your work. So it's always a good idea to make sure you're using things that have the Creative Commons checked there. All right, I found this parrot. I'm just going to click it and it puts a check in the box and then I can insert it. And it makes it really large. And you also notice that it has this information on it. That is citing where this information about the picture for your document so you can make sure you're using it safely. Now, you see it's not where I want it to go. And if I click on it and try to drag it, it doesn't really go anywhere. I want it to go down here. And I can't just copy and paste it there. I want to be able to move it there. So here's what we're going to do next. And this is the next step here where we're going to format this picture. We want to see when I hover over the picture, I get this little box. It gives me different options. I'm going to click it. And this tells me it's in line with the text, so it's having its own row. And if I move it somewhere else, it's going to knock anything else in that row out. But I can use some of these others where I have text wrapping. And if I do that one, did it just disappear? It may have. I don't know where it went. So guess what? Oh, there it is. It's at the top. But now, do you see I can drag it and move it anywhere I want to go. So I'm going to keep bringing it down until I get to that place where I wanted it to be. But you notice now it has it's not in between here. I'd have to make this bigger by hitting the enter button to knock it down. And then, but now you see I can move it anywhere I want on the screen. I can also, there's other ones you can choose from that go like that. You can even put it behind text. Let's try that. See, so you can have words on top of it. Sometimes you do want that effect, but I'm going to leave it like that, and I'm going to go back to my square and just leave it like that. So now we have inserted a picture and we have moved it where we want it to be.